Welcome to our channel, where we delve into innovative wooden solutions, stylish and compact projects for a competitive edge in home decor. In today's world, where space is often limited, the need for furniture and decor that is both functional and visually appealing has reached new heights. This presentation will highlight how creative wooden projects can not only beautify living spaces, but also offer practical solutions for contemporary homeowners. We will explore the versatility and sustainability of wood as a material, as well as how distinctive design elements can make your creation stand out in a competitive marketplace. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or simply someone looking to refresh your home, this journey will provide inspiring ideas, actionable tips, and valuable insights into market trends that can elevate your projects, making them both stylish and desirable. Get ready to discover the potential of wooden solutions that seamlessly blend creativity with functionality. If you've made it this far into the video, it's clear that you appreciate the content we're sharing, and we truly thank you for your support. We encourage you to subscribe if you're new to our channel, as doing so not only keeps you updated with our latest projects and ideas, but also helps us grow and continue creating valuable content for you. If you're already a subscriber, we appreciate your loyalty and ask that you consider liking and sharing this video with friends and family who might also find inspiration in our innovative wooden solutions. Remember to stay tuned until the end, as we have even more exciting tips and insights to share that can help you take your home decor projects to the next level. Your engagement makes a difference, and we can't wait to bring you more creative ideas in the future. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for stylish and compact furniture solutions is on the rise. Homeowners and renters alike are seeking innovative ways to maximize their living spaces without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. Wooden projects have emerged as a favored choice, not only for their natural beauty, but also for their versatility and functionality. By utilizing creative designs and sustainable materials, businesses can tap into this growing market, providing customers with stylish wooden solutions that enhance their homes while meeting the demands of modern living. The minimalist trend has gained significant traction in recent years, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and the beauty of natural materials. Wooden decor aligns perfectly with this philosophy, offering warmth and elegance that can transform any space. Compact wooden projects, such as multifunctional furniture, allow homeowners to make the most of limited space, particularly in urban environments where square footage is at a premium. By focusing on designs that combine style with practicality, businesses can cater to the needs of consumers looking for both form and function. One of the most popular compact wooden projects is the modular shelving unit. These versatile pieces can be customized to fit various spaces and styles, making them ideal for a wide range of customers. Businesses can offer modular systems that allow consumers to create their own configurations, ensuring that each piece is tailored to individual needs. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also sets a brand apart in a competitive market, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Another innovative wooden solution is the use of foldable furniture. Items such as drop-leaf tables, collapsible chairs, and wall-mounted desks provide essential functionality while maintaining a sleek appearance. These designs are particularly appealing to small apartment dwellers or those who frequently entertain guests. By offering foldable options, businesses can position themselves as providers of smart, space-saving solutions that cater to the demands of modern life. Highlighting these features and marketing efforts can attract a broader audience seeking practical yet stylish home decor. Sustainability is a key factor influencing consumer purchasing decisions today. Many customers are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their choices and prefer products made from responsibly sourced materials. Wooden projects, especially those crafted from reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood, resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Businesses that prioritize sustainability in their designs and practices can not only appeal to this demographic, but also strengthen their brand image as responsible and forward-thinking. Incorporating technology into wooden furniture projects is another way to stay competitive in the market. Smart furniture, such as charging stations integrated into tables or desks, is gaining popularity as people seek convenience in their daily lives. By blending traditional craftsmanship with modern technology, businesses can create innovative products that meet the evolving needs of consumers. Offering features like wireless charging or built-in lighting can set a brand apart, making it a go-to choice for tech-savvy shoppers. Customization options are increasingly important in the home decor market. Consumers want pieces that reflect their personal style and fit seamlessly into their homes. By offering a range of finishes, stains, and sizes for wooden projects, businesses can empower customers to create unique items that resonate with their individual tastes. This level of engagement not only enhances the shopping experience, but also fosters a deeper connection between the consumer and the brand, leading to greater customer loyalty. Marketing plays a crucial role in promoting innovative wooden solutions. Visual platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for showcasing stylish wooden projects, allowing brands to create a strong online presence. High-quality images and engaging content can highlight the beauty and functionality of wooden designs, attracting potential customers and encouraging them to explore the product offerings. Collaborations with influencers in the home decor space can also amplify reach, drawing attention to the brand and its unique solutions. Craft fairs and local markets provide excellent opportunities for businesses to showcase their wooden projects in person. Engaging directly with customers allows for real-time feedback and interaction, building relationships and brand loyalty. Demonstrating the craftsmanship behind each piece can also create a deeper appreciation for the product, encouraging customers to invest in quality wooden solutions. Participating in these events can help businesses establish themselves within the community and attract a dedicated customer base. E-commerce is an essential channel for reaching today's consumers. A well-designed online store can showcase a brand's wooden projects effectively, providing detailed descriptions and high-quality images that convey the value of each piece. Integrating features such as virtual room planners can also enhance the shopping experience, allowing customers to visualize how a product will fit into their home. Offering flexible shipping and return policies can further encourage online purchases, making it easier for consumers to embrace stylish wooden solutions. Customer testimonials and reviews are powerful tools for building trust and credibility in the market. Positive feedback from satisfied customers can significantly influence potential buyers' decisions, making it essential for businesses to showcase these endorsements prominently. Encouraging customers to share their experiences with wooden projects on social media can also amplify brand visibility and attract new customers. Engaging with this feedback not only shows appreciation for loyal patrons, but also helps businesses refine their offerings based on consumer insights. Incorporating local craftsmanship into wooden projects can also set a brand apart from competitors. Highlighting the stories of artisans and their techniques fosters a sense of authenticity and connection. Many consumers are drawn to products with a local touch, as they appreciate the uniqueness and quality that comes with handcrafted items. By showcasing local talent and craftsmanship, businesses can appeal to consumers seeking genuine, one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect their community's culture and values. Seasonal trends and themes offer additional opportunities for businesses to innovate within the wooden decor space. By creating limited edition designs that align with holidays or seasonal changes, brands can generate excitement and urgency among consumers. For example, offering wooden decor items that celebrate the changing seasons can entice customers to refresh their homes regularly. This approach not only drives sales, but also keeps the brand relevant and engaged with its audience throughout the year. Collaborating with interior designers and home decor influencers can further enhance a brand's visibility and credibility. By partnering on projects that showcase wooden solutions in real-life settings, businesses can reach a wider audience and demonstrate the versatility of their products. These collaborations can also provide valuable insights into current design trends, helping brands stay ahead of the curve and adapt their offerings accordingly. As businesses continue to explore innovative wooden solutions, it's essential to prioritize quality and craftsmanship. Consumers are increasingly discerning and willing to invest in pieces that promise durability and longevity. By using high-quality materials and employing skilled artisans, brands can create wooden projects that stand the test of time. This commitment to excellence not only satisfies customer expectations, but also reinforces a brand's reputation as a leader in the home decor market. Ultimately, the future of home decor lies in the ability to blend style, functionality, and sustainability. Innovative wooden solutions that address these elements will continue to gain traction among consumers. By staying attuned to market trends, embracing creativity, and prioritizing customer engagement, businesses can carve out a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of home decor. With the right approach, stylish and compact wooden projects can become the hallmark of modern living, enriching homes and lives alike. We dedicated a significant amount of time, effort, and resources to prepare this video, and we genuinely hope you found it valuable and inspiring. Your support means the world to us, and by subscribing to our channel and liking this video, you help us continue to create high-quality content that showcases innovative wooden solutions and stylish home decor projects. Your engagement not only motivates us, but also allows us to invest even more into future videos, bringing you fresh ideas and insights. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we appreciate each and every one of you for being part of our community. Your support is what drives our passion to share and inspire.